perfect. And I'm just like brushing it out. So what I'm going to use is this really light foundation. It's a 102. My usual foundation color for this season right now is a 312. So this kind of gives you a comparison of how light this foundation is compared to my normal foundation. I'm hoping that by using this lighter foundation, I'm giving myself like a better base. I'm gonna go ahead and put it over my eyebrows, and I could tell that I smoothed down my eyebrows really good because look how good it's laying, y'all. Like, you can barely see I have eyebrows, and I haven't, like, once I set this with the finishing powder, I don't feel like you're gonna be able to see my eyebrows at all, which is perfect.
I'm gonna go ahead and add my face paint on top of this. I'm using this Spirit Cream White Face Makeup. I'm just gonna use this really thick brush right here just to kind of powder that on.
So I'm doing a dot of liquid latex right here.
Taking a little bit of cotton swab.
Now that I'm getting close to the top, I've been like flattening out the other side of the nails and dipping them in the latex and just poking them up there, and they've been sticking. So I'm like satisfied with what it came out. Y'all, it took me 8 hours to do this look. I'm probably gonna sleep in it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all.